Hey guys, welcome back to your favorite channel where we curate the best gadgets on the internet for you. It's all about recording your adventures every day. The life, the moments, and literally everything you love to do. And the most convenient way to do it is with the new age sleek and portable 360 cams. If you're having a problem while choosing the best one, we've put together a list of the top 7 best 360 cameras to buy right now. Now, without wasting any time, let's get started. Number 7. KanDao QooCam. It's the greatest 360 camera for image quality right now. That is ensured by a large 1 by 1.7 inch CMOS sensor, 10-bit color, and of course, that 8K resolution. When it comes to photo and video quality, the QooCam 8K is unrivaled in the 360 industry. Photos show a lot of color and contrast, unlike anything we've seen from a camera like this before. The ability to generate a great-looking snapshot from a 360-degree video is welcome, but the detail, sharpness, and smoothness of video, whether in 360 degrees or chopped down to widescreen, makes the QooCam 8K a major step forward for creative filmmakers. We did mention some drawbacks in our review, most notably that it has an audible fan, but the battery life isn't fantastic, and it isn't waterproof without a case. It was also quite pricey. Number 6. ZTIANFOTO Trisio Lite 2 VR camera. This is a very simple gadget that is exceedingly straightforward to use. It's designed for enterprises who need to make a large number of static virtual tours. Its 360-degree images are great and simply suitable for use on virtual tours as well as online promotion of event spaces and hotel rooms. The 8K boost is less stunning than its HDR capability, which helps create colorful and dynamic spherical images that thrive in both high contrast and low light conditions. It's not a 360-degree action camera, and VR-style video is out of the question. Patience is also necessary, as the Trisio Lite 2 takes 30 seconds to light meter and take a single 360-degree shot. However, when utilized slowly and deliberately, the Trisio Lite 2 is one of the most limited yet capable 360-degree cameras available, capable of doing one thing exceptionally well. Number 5. Insta360 One RS Twin Edition. The One RS is designed to appeal to anyone who would ordinarily consider a GoPro but wants to try their hand at 360. The fact that its 360-degree lens remains unchanged from the first generation model suggests that the format has settled in as a good alternative for occasional use, but one that needs much further improvement, which we agree with. While the lens provides a lot of creative options, and we appreciate how the Insta360 app provides templates for creating nifty 360-degree sequences from footage, most users will rely on its 4K boost lens. This is more competent than the first generation model, although we're not sure how beneficial the 6K widescreen capability is. Much more helpful is the ability to record in stunning 4K resolution, which has always been pin sharp and ultra smooth. Number 4. Ricoh 360 Theta X. Its attractiveness will be determined by the type of content creator you are. If you're considering this 360-degree camera as a replacement for a GoPro action camera, keep in mind that its picture stabilization, despite functioning at greater resolutions than a GoPro, isn't as good. Vloggers should be wary of the Theta X because it cannot be used with an external microphone. So, who exactly is Theta X for? With so many built-in and convenient functions, we're confident that the Theta X is a solid buy for anyone looking for an easy-to-use, adaptable, and high-quality 360-degree camera. However, at this high price, it's a significant investment. However, we believe that photographers seeking a 360-degree camera with core quality will enjoy the Theta X. When combined with its great coloring and low-light capabilities, the Theta X's ability to shoot stills in 11K resolution puts it ahead of the competition, although its lack of raw capture undercuts that choice significantly. Number 3. Insta360 One RS1. This crazy pocket thing is designed for serious filmmakers seeking the highest image quality and low-light performance. It's double the price of the standard Insta360 One X2, but considering how much better it is in terms of low-light performance, dynamic range, and clarity, we think it's well worth it. It feels very well made, employs 6 gyro flow state stabilization for super smooth video, and has a touchscreen, which is wonderful for previewing footage, but not so easy to use if you have large hands, as we highlighted in our hands-on review. It's significantly less expensive than the Ricoh Theta Z1 and provides a significant step up in quality, making it ideal for individuals who require truly professional-looking material. Number 2. Insta360 One X2. The X2 is great for individuals who wish to get more involved in making exciting, colorful 360-degree video footage. You can jump right in and add effects like stop motion and clone trail, which allow you to produce clones of yourself as you travel through the frame. Gimmicky? Sure, but it's also a lot of fun because 360-degree imaging is all about having fun. The Insta360 One X2 has a lot of creative design elements that we liked in our comprehensive review. It puts its 360-degree lenses to a variety of innovative uses while still allowing you to capture regular widescreen video for when you just need a simple video solution. It takes some getting used to all the One X2 can do, and its memory-hungry app needs a high-end phone to keep up, but this is a camera where the more you put in, the more you'll get out. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items, and be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Number 1. GoPro Max Action Camera. This 360-degree action camera takes the top rank for a variety of reasons. Granted, the GoPro Max's image and video quality are strong enough that they could get here on its own. The GoPro Max also has a slew of easy features that ensure almost anyone can get a lot out of it, even if they have no interest in 360-degree imaging. The Fluid app allows you to edit clips from 360-degree footage almost fluidly, which means you can acquire excellent shots no matter where the camera is aimed and switch between them with ease. The Max offers other outstanding specs, including as a 6-mic system, a highly convincing vlogging camera, and a 1600 mAh battery that will last you a day of recording. It's a pretty expensive alternative that lacks a specific 4K video capturing feature seen on other competitors, such as those from Insta360. The Max, on the other hand, simply has that GoPro polish that makes it the best 360-degree camera experience available right now. That's it for today, guys. Like and share the video, and comment on which one you loved the most. All the product links are given in the description below. Make sure to check them out. I'll be back with more best products soon. So make sure you subscribe to the channel and press that bell icon to get a notification of our latest video. Till then, keep exploring.